A dose of courage, Modi's vaccine mission. In early 2021, as COVID-19 continued to threaten lives across the globe, fear and vaccine hesitancy were rising rapidly in India. Rumors about side effects and doubts about safety, especially about India's own vaccine, COVAXIN, were spreading faster than the virus itself. Then came a moment that changed everything. On March 1, 2021, early in the morning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi walked into AIMS's hospital in New Delhi without fanfare. He rolled up his sleeve and received his first dose of the COVAXIN vaccine, a bold and symbolic move. He smiled and tweeted, "Took my first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine at AIMSS. I appeal to all those who are eligible to take the vaccine. Together, let us make India COVID-19 free." It wasn't just a photo op, it was a message of trust. India's Prime Minister had taken the same vaccine millions were nervous about. He didn't choose a foreign brand, he chose the Indian one, COVAXIN. That moment helped silence critics and built confidence in the scientific strength of India. But Modi's vision was not just about India. He believed India's strength must serve the world. In January 2021, even while vaccinating its own citizens, India launched Vaccine Maitri, a global humanitarian mission to supply COVID-19 vaccines to other countries in need. From Nepal to Brazil, from Bhutan to Barbados, India delivered over 66 million doses to 90-plus countries, including poor nations with little access. Some vaccines were gifted, others were sold at affordable prices. Even the Caribbean island of Dominica, far away, called India's gesture a blessing from the sky. This act of diplomacy wasn't about politics, it was about compassion in crisis. While wealthy nations hoarded vaccines, India, under Modi's leadership, chose solidarity over selfishness. Domestically, Modi oversaw the world's largest vaccination campaign, starting with health workers and gradually expanding to every adult citizen, free of cost. At its peak, India administered more than 25 million doses in a single day, a world record. Through it all, Modi repeated a simple mantra, Dawai bhi, Kadai bhi. Yes to medicine, yes to caution. He reminded people not to let their guard down, even after vaccination. In just 3 minutes, India went from fear to faith. Modi's bold first jab, his call for global solidarity, and India's vaccine diplomacy became a story of trust, resilience, and leadership, not just for a country, but for the entire world. India didn't just vaccinate its people, it inspired the world with compassion, science, and the courage to lead.